We are na na na. Yeah, yeah. Oriana na na na. Mr. J. Bondes. Ooh, yeah, na na na. Pascal. Aisha, my lady.
The next day.
For me, Anna. Aisha, my lady. Roll up for me, baby. Wine up for me, Anna. I'm in love with your body, oh. You give me love, make me crazy. Oh, baby girl, this your body, oh. They make me banana feeling. Ole, ole, ole. Ole, ole, ole. Me go love you like any way. Any way. Me go love you like. Give me one more dance, lady. Got it for your body one more time. Give me one more dance, lady. Got it for your body this time. This time is our time. Come make I change your life. Come make I make you shine. Come make I give you this love. I'm on time, no day. I'm on time, no day. Your body went in my mind. I'm on time, no day. I'm on time, no day. Your body went buzzing my mind. Aisha, my lady. Roll up for me, baby. Wine up for me, Anna. Aisha, my lady. Roll up for me, baby. Wine up for me, Anna. I'm in love with your body, oh. You give me love, make me crazy. Oh, baby girl, this your body, oh. They make me banana feeling. Baby, slow wine for me. Slow wine for me, baby, slow wine for me.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you all doing? It's a lovely day here, guys. Guess what? I just received my order from Amazon. So basically I received 2-pack from Amazon yesterday, and I received this one here just now. So I thought it wise to come up here to carry you guys along this unboxing video with me. And guys, do not go anywhere and keep watching this video. So basically I ordered this speaker here. So I want to start unboxing this one here. Let me bring the box. And guys, they delivered these two yesterday and they delivered this one just now. So I thought twice to carry you guys along this process. This lithium mark here is gonna be 5. Yay! Very soon. Super excited, right guys? It's amazing journey so far. Okay, let's see. Wow. Oh my god. Oh yeah! It's a banner and a balloon. I don't even know, guys. I don't even know. So I think I'll be leaving the picture somewhere on the screen, like the things I ordered. Let me see what's this one. So if not, I will quickly rectify them. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Oh my god. Guys, I can't believe this. I ordered number 5. Look at what they are giving me. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. Like seriously, guys, I'm gonna be leaving the picture somewhere on the screen, like basically this thing here. Oh my god,
it's 5 for me.
This is very small. Seriously,
I got 5.
this is not what I ordered. Like,
let's see what's inside.
oh my god.
Oh.
Okay. So I just ordered this. Thank God I ordered this balloon.
No way.
So it's a balloon. Okay, guys. I don't even know how to do it. Okay, I ordered these toys. It's like a wristwatch for kids. This is how it looks. It comes in different colors, like blue, orange, green.
I want
These are the colors. for the party bag. Oh my god. I ordered this one as well. It's a Windsor for the party bag. And a tablecloth. And I ordered this one as well, guys. It's for kids. Oh my god.
I want a cube. This is a cube.
Yeah. Oh my god. Sometimes it's just better you order something that you can really see. Anyway, this one on the picture, I'm gonna leave it somewhere on the screen. Like, it's really massive. Like, I thought it's the big size of this one here. So they just bring the tiny ones. Like, guys, I don't get it.
Mama, I want to do this to open my
I don't get it. Oh my god, this is so
I
frustrating.
want to open my fry.
Next one, which one is this one? Oh Jesus Christ. Oh my god, guys, this is so frustrating. Like, this is so frustrating. This is a party bag that I ordered. Oh my god. What am I gonna put in here? Oh my god. The LED lights for his room.
Yay!
And this one to hang the balloon up in the ceiling. Okay, it's what I expected. But this one here, like this one here, guys, oh my god, I feel like crying, guys. I feel like crying. Let me open my speaker. This is how it looks inside. Let me move the camera back. Yeah, so this is the speaker. Actually, this is the small version of this Sony. The reason why I bought the speaker is because it brings those LED lights when it's playing, and it's so nice. So this is the smaller one. I actually bought it because my best friend has the big one. She's the one that makes me buy this speaker. Seriously, guys. So this is the smaller one. So I've been looking for this speaker since August last year. I want to open it and see what's inside. Comes with a manual book, the battery, I think the cable, and the remote. This is my speaker.
Your speaker, Mama.
I'm so in love with this speaker. I need to show you the top part of this speaker. It's so beautiful. This is how it looks. So beautiful. Okay guys, this is the top part of the speaker. So you can actually play the CD version and Bluetooth. So with your phone, you can connect from your phone, then the CD with a cable, yeah, whichever way you want to play the music. So guys, this is the top bit of the speaker. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It's what I expected. It's so nice. I love it, guys. Okay guys, I so much love the speaker, so I need to try it later on. And yeah, that is it for the speaker. So as for this one, I just received, basically it's a drink. Okay guys, this one is apple flavor, and this one is mango, and this one is red berry. So this one was the last parcel I just received. Okay guys, that is it for my unboxing. I'm just gonna make use of what I have. Trust me guys, I can't keep myself. And that is it for my unboxing video. I thought it wise to come up here to carry you guys along this unboxing with me, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Until then guys, bye for now. But for now, I'm just gonna try my speaker. This is my new baby now. So yeah, see you guys on my next one.